Hi guys, so again this is the indefinite integrals. So this is the meaning of indefinite integrals. By the way guys, we are just continue our example, or let's proceed to example number 2. But first of all, the meaning or the properties of these topics we should to familiarize or memorize in order to identify the problem in easy way, to give solution, and also to solve the given problem. But after all, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to Romel Vlog, and also don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. In this video, we are going to continue in our example. So let's proceed to example number 2. In example number 2 is the integration of x cubed plus 2x to the power of negative 2 plus x to the power of negative 5 dx. So in this example, the properties of indefinite integral is a must to find solutions and on how we are going to solve this example, the step or the um, tips on how we are going to evaluate its of term. So what we're going to do is to find which of properties of indefinite integrals that we can apply in this example. In our example is mostly the properties number 3, which is the integration of x to the power of n dx is equal to x to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c, where n is not equal to 0. So in our example number 2, we choose the properties number 3 as what in the given related or in form of these properties, same as what in the given. So in first term, we have x cubed. So in properties number 3 tells that you can add 1 of its exponent or power. So we add 3 plus 1, so it becomes 4. So x to the power of 4, and bring 4 into its denominator, plus 2x to the power of negative 2. So we can add negative 2 plus 1, so it becomes negative 1. In this term, the result is 2x to the power of negative 1 over negative 1. In the same process of x to the power of negative 5. So it is x to the power of negative 4 and over negative 4. Lastly, or the final answer is x to the power of 4 over 4 minus 2 over x, because in rule of algebra, if the exponent is negative, we can make it positive. So in this term, 2x to the power of negative 1 over negative 1. So in order to make it positive, our sign in second term is become negative. So this is the result, which is 2 over x minus 1 over 4x to the power of 4. So this is the same process in order to make the exponent in the denominator is negative. So in order to make it positive, we bring the term which is has negative power or exponent into denominator to make positive exponent, plus the constant c. So our final answer is x to the power of 4 over 4 minus 2 over x minus 1 over 4x to the power of 4 plus c. So let's proceed to example number 3. In example number 3 is integration of 7x to the power of negative 4 dx. So in this simple example is just to review on how we are going to make its exponent into positive. So in just give you more informations and more understanding about this form of given. So let's start. In the integration of 7x to the power of negative 4 dx, as what in the properties of indefinite integral, we add 1 into its power or exponent. So negative 4 plus 1 is negative 3. So we have 7x to the power of negative 3. So the same process in example number 3, we bring the power into its denominator. So the denominator is negative 3. We have 7x to the power of negative 3 over 3. Last or final answer is negative 7 over 3x to the power of 3 plus add the constant c. So that's all for indefinite integral topic. So I hope you can understand on the following example in these lessons in indefinite integrals. So if you have some questions about this video, you can just comment down below and good luck.